Hey guys, welcome back to my skincare. Today I'm going to share about one of the products from SK2. It's called Genopstick Spot Essence, and this product is supposed to be like lighten your dark spot away. And I've been using this product like a year ago, which when I was having too much of problem on my skin, and then the result was good. And since I don't have the before and after, I wanted to do this kind of reviews for you guys, and then let's see if it is going to change my facial condition right now. I mean, like from this, like of course I have like a complexion now, like a dark spot here and there still. And then some of you were curious about my skincare on my daily basis, and without talking so much, let's jump onto it. So guys, if you haven't know, I still use SK2, okay? Some of you were asking like, are you still using SK2? How was it? And the answer is yes, I'm still using it. And then I just bought a welcome set again, because you know what, this is the most affordable things, like one in a set. And then actually this is the Genopstick in a package like this, and this is actually the bottles look like. And then okay, talking about my skin, for my cleanser I actually use Clean and Clear. It is look like this. This is like kills 99.8% bacteria, and it is oil control for 8 hours. I just like this one because this is not harsh to my skin. And then sometimes I do scrub my skin using Saint Eva's. This is Apricot Scrub, and this is really good as well. I like this because whenever I got this kind of whitehead appearing on my skin, or I just feel like my skin is getting rough, and this is my solution really. Okay, if you want to use the welcome set, this is how I do it usually. I don't use the cotton pad or anything, but use my palm right here. Make sure your face is clean and your palm is clean as well, and then you just need to use the toner. This is facial treatment clear lotion. You just put it on your palm for I think it's too much, but okay. You just want to rub it on your palm and then just right away to your skin. Nothing special guys, I mean like just apply it on your face. But I think if you put it on the palm directly is more saving, because using cotton is absorbed too much on the cotton and not to your skin. Don't forget your neck though, because they deserve to get better as well. The next step is the treatment essence. This is the magic, they say. Actually I put this in refrigerator because I live in Bali, and some of people that's living in Indonesia, they like to put their essence in the fridge to cool down. Again, put it on your palm for like few drop. Rub again. Then tap it on your face. Just like that. So simple, right? And I feel like I'm getting fresher now. Okay. And after the essence, let it set for like a few seconds to make it like absorb to your skin. And then the next one is the another essence for the spot one. This miracle, just hope it is fading my dark spot. So what actually I like to do, I just like pour it on my skin directly, just like this, because I don't want to use too much either. Just like that, just blending it. I mean, every part of my skin is deserved to be bright. So if you are having too much of dark spot, or you want to like every kind of spot on your facial, this is the solution. But if you want to like light the specific area like this, for example, then you may just tap in, because actually this is like you can do whatever you want. Oh yeah, here and here. Oh my god. Alright, since the both essence and the toner already absorbed to my facial skin, and I feel my skin is getting fresher, And then because now it's like the day is begin, I like to not forget to use a sunscreen, guys. Sunscreen is really important because whenever you go out, the sun is really harsh. Come on, it's better to protect. And I'm using this is aloe vera sun gel. This is from this Siam. It's Korean product, I guess. I don't know, I just bought it anyway because it's oh yeah, it's Korean product. I'm sorry, it's written in Korea. And then I use this like for about a month or so, and actually I like it, guys. The consistency is really, you know, like very light to your skin. So I just put it like this. Actually, you can use any kind of sunscreen, you know, but this is my preference because my skin is so you know, like oily as well over time. Although my cleanser say like 8 hours oil free, but you know, my skin is saying different. Just make sure everything is covered. You don't want to get more complexion on your skin, right? That's why sunscreen is really important. But if you're living in the winter or sort of cold weather, I don't think you need it. But since I live in Bali, so I need it very much. I don't use any other product again after the sunscreen. I don't want to use the cream either. Usually I use this kind of you know, the package from SK2. I use this only at night. So guys, this is it, my skincare, and you know what kind of product I'm using. I hope it is helpful, and then can't wait for the, you know, like before and after of this Genop Stick Spot Essence. Please keep on the, you know, like checking on my video. I mean, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can you know, like notify when I post a video. And then get to know me on Instagram as well. I will link in the description below. And stay in love yourself more, and have a good day, EXO.